Today, we're diving deep into a beast built for the bold, the Ram ProMaster motorhome. Clad in a powerful, vibrant red and black combo and mounted on a rugged long body 4x4 frame, this van doesn't just travel, it conquers. Whether you're hitting mountain trails, desert plains, or remote campgrounds, this home on wheels gives you comfort, control, and total independence. Stick with us for a full 360 degrees tour of this ultimate adventure machine. Because this isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle on wheels. Exterior, front view. Let's start at the front, where first impressions hit hardest. The bold grille proudly showcases the Ram logo, flanked by LED headlamps with integrated DRLs that give a predator-like stare. Its reinforced steel bumper and aggressive front skirt give the van a stance that says, "I'm ready for anything." The windscreen is wide, with dual wipers, and the hood curves upward to support the elevated cabin. Side mirrors are extended and powered, giving clear visibility on wide roads or off-road paths. This isn't just a front view. It's your first handshake with freedom. Top side view. From above, the Ram ProMaster continues to impress with function and form. The solar panels aren't just decorative. They power the lighting, refrigerator, and USB ports inside, perfect for eco-travelers. There's a HD TV antenna and a high-efficiency roof-mounted AC unit that keeps the cabin cool even in 100 degrees Fahrenheit heat. You'll also notice a roof rack system for carrying kayaks, luggage, or additional storage pods. Rainwater channels are molded into the top for drainage, making it adventure-ready in all weather conditions. Backside view. Moving to the rear, here's where utility meets adventure. The extra tire mount is rock-solid and easy to access, while the adjustable bike rack can hold up to 2 cycles securely. Rear doors swing open 180 degrees, revealing full access to storage and rear living space. You also get a high-mounted rear camera, rear LED lights, and a portable external shower hose for muddy gear or feet. Tow hooks and a built-in tow hitch are integrated neatly, letting you pull trailers or gear racks if needed. Side view, tent feature. Now for one of the coolest parts, the side tent setup. The electrically retractable awning extends with one-touch operation, creating a 10 by 7 foot outdoor patio space. Underneath, you can set up chairs, a barbecue grill, or even hang LED string lights for an unforgettable evening. You'll also find underbody storage compartments for outdoor tools, power cords, and cooking supplies. This side view transforms a motorhome from travel machine into your portable camp zone. Driving compartment. Step inside the driving command center, where comfort meets tech. The captain's seats are fully adjustable, heated, and wrapped in water-resistant faux leather. You have a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment panel with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The second 7-inch digital screen gives a live rear-view feed and tire pressure monitoring. You also get cruise control, traction mode switch, USB-C ports, and cabin lighting controls, all within arm's reach. Driving this home feels more like piloting a spaceship. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the wheel lies your relaxation haven. The L-shaped sofa easily transforms into a queen-size bed, thanks to its dual-fold hydraulic mechanism. You get hidden storage under cushions, soft reading lamps, and even a fold-out work table for digital nomads. The walls are lined with soundproofing panels, and windows come with blackout blinds and bug screens. Add in the roof fan and gentle LED ambient lighting, and this area becomes your perfect end-of-day escape. Kitchen, compact but cleverly designed, the kitchen area uses every inch wisely. You get a dual-burner induction stove, microwave oven, mini fridge/freezer combo, and a 12V water tap with purification filter. Countertops are heat-resistant, and a fold-down side panel adds extra workspace. Overhead cabinets offer space for dry food, spices, and utensils, while magnetic strips hold knives and tools in place while driving. There's even a fire extinguisher mounted nearby for safety. Washroom. The modular washroom makes smart use of minimal space. It includes a compact composting toilet, a fold-out sink, and a stand-up shower with a retractable curtain. There's a ventilation fan overhead and water-saving faucet technology. The shower floor is slip-resistant, and you have a mirror cabinet for toiletries. With gray and black water tanks below and an exterior service hatch, this mini bathroom delivers major convenience. And that wraps up our deep dive into the mighty Ram ProMaster motorhome. All of this ruggedness, luxury, and independence can be yours for just $130,000 US. Whether you're escaping the city or chasing sunsets, this machine lets you live where others vacation. Backhand index pointing down, backhand index pointing down. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Because here on Jeep Mud Master, the road never ends, and neither should your adventures.